Visualizing has been a big component in my success and my career. If I want something to happen, I think about it a lot, and then I try to draw out what that will look like and write down what needs to happen. So when I wanted to expand my practice with Placid Soul Counseling, I wrote down, how do I make that happen? What do I need? What do I want it to look like? How do I want people to feel when they walk in here? Vision boards can be really important for young people because it gets it out of just kind of like rolling around in your head, and it puts it out in front of you so you can see it. You can look at it every day. Here's how you do a vision board. You buy a board, you get magazines or print pictures from the internet of whatever that vision is. So if you have the career, you want to cut pictures out of that career and you want to put that on the board, and you want to kind of write the skills that it takes to be in that career. If it's self-employment, you want to be a business owner and self-employed, then what skills does that take? Put that on the board. What is behind this success of visualization is the fact that it's in your face. It's no longer a thought. Like, it is getting that dream out of just your head and making it realistic and getting that vision board out in front of you, because when you look at it every day, it becomes obtainable. And you want to see that, and then energy goes into it just every day. And that's what makes it happen, because it's not just a thought, it's the vision.